If you want to actually stand out in the sea of noise, then make sure you do this exercise to help you find your authentic marketing message. This is the way that you can actually be yourself and get paid. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. There are 3 key questions you have to ask yourself when you're trying to find your authentic marketing message and your authentic voice. And the first one is, what are you good at? I'm good at strategy because I was a management consultant. What are you good at, right? If you're a fitness coach, I'm good at helping people lose weight, or I'm good at helping people gain muscle. Like, what is it that you're good at? That should be the easy part. Now, question number 2 is, what else are you good at? So of course, if you're a business coach, you could be good at strategy. If you're a fitness coach, you could be good at helping people lose weight. Now that's kind of expected, right? So if you say that, people are like, well, yeah, of course, that's everyone else in this field. So you want to bring something unique. So you want to find the other thing that you're good at that helps you do whatever it is that you offer, right? So if you're a business coach, for example, and you're really good at drawing at the same time, so you could say, I'm good at strategy and I'm good at drawing. So I break down really complex and boring concepts into easy to understand and fun experiences for my clients, right? Or if you are a fitness coach, let's say, and you're good at helping people lose weight, and maybe you're good at helping people stretch the right part of their muscles in the right way so that they get that lean and long look on their muscles. Right? It's finding that second thing that makes you unique, that makes your approach interesting for other people. It's not just about losing weight, but it's also about stretching, right? It's not just about the strategy, but it's also about a fun experience to learn new strategic concepts, right? So find that second thing that you're good at and add that to your value proposition. Type in the comments below the 2 things that you're good at. The thing that makes you unique. This is how you come up with why you are different from everyone else in the industry. When you bring those 2 things together, you're no longer competing with everyone else because you're doing something different. Now, number 3, you already have the 2 things that you're good at. Now is to write a letter to Bob or Bobette, or whoever it is you want to write it to, and share with them the problem that your prospect is facing and how you're using the 2 things that you're good at to help them solve it. So start with something like this.
Hey Bobette, you know how people want to lose weight and have that toned, lean muscle look? I've actually created a targeted workout program that keeps the heart rate in the fat burning zone so they lose weight. And I added that targeted static stretching program to lengthen the muscles for that lean look.
Now, make this better by adding a secret benefit.
Most people don't know this, but the difference between someone who achieves their weight goal and someone who doesn't is actually in the stretching. Most people think they don't have time for this, or they don't need to increase flexibility, but actually stretching makes you less sore the next day. And because you don't have soreness as an excuse, people actually commit to doing a workout the next day. 80% of my clients achieve their goal faster because they stretch.
And just like that, you have something written in your own voice that helps communicate what the problems are and how you are able to uniquely help them with that problem. You have a unique value proposition and you have something new and interesting to share with that secret benefit, right? So with that, you can put it on your website, put it anywhere in your content, and make sure you leave a comment down below, and especially if you're a YouTuber, right? Tell people what are the 2 things that you're good at, what kind of problem that you solve. So if you found this helpful, give this video a like and make sure that you check out other videos of how to communicate more effectively to your customers. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.